Hey guys, Ray from Love RV and Boat. So just a quick update on this Solera universal replacement fabric for RV awnings. I replaced this over 4.5 years ago now, and it's held up quite well. Cleans up nice. You can see it's nice and white underneath. It was a little bit dirty before we left on our trip, but I just cleaned it up and came back nice bright white. There has been a bit of fraying on the edges. You can see these threads. When I first installed the awning, I installed it myself, and I saw some of these threads and I thought, oh, that's probably going to be a big problem, but not really. There's just been a few threads here and there. I'll give you a look at the top side in a second. There we go. You kind of see it's designed to kind of fade from white slowly to a darker color. I think my awning is around a 20-footer. Rolls up nice. Hasn't been a problem, so it's been good value for me. Give you a look at it rolled up. There we go. So my original awning lasted, I don't know, maybe about 7, 8, 9 years. This trailer is pushing around 13, 14 years. This one stayed nice and white up there. We also spend our winters in the desert, so it sees a lot of sun. And in summers back home, it sees a lot of sun. Mainly use it to shade the RV and the refrigerator area, just to keep it cool in there. And if it's raining, keep the rain off of us. Till next time, Ray from Love RV and Boat. Cheers, folks.